Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button down below and like the video. Thank you. So in this video, I would love to show you guys how I make use of my guys to gum my clothes or to iron my clothes. And the reason why I make use of these guys is because I can't afford a generator that can power my pressing iron yet, and there's no steady light in my area, so I use this to aid me in my work, and I believe it will help you too. So let me show you how I do it. So the first thing you are going to do is for you to have your gas. You can use any of the gas. This is 5 kg gas, and this my iron is a already spoiled iron. You can use any iron of your choice, but preferably, but it is better to use Phillips iron, already spoiled Phillips iron, than any other irons. So this is already spoiled Phillips iron. I removed the rubber handle and I gave it to a welder to work this for me. Hopefully you can see this. This is iron handle this time around. It's no more rubber handle, because when you use the rubber handle, the gas flame will quickly melt the rubber handle. So I'm using I gave it to a welder to forge this for me, and I gave the direction though. And for you to have a clear picture of it, hope you can see it clearly. This is how I forge it, so that you can do yours like this. So the next thing we are going to do is to on your gas with your lighter. Here's my lighter. Then I'll on the gas. Then I'll now light your gas. Then I'm going to place this iron on it. But before that, let me tell you something. So, and if you want to make use of gas cooker to iron your clothes, you must make sure that you remove all the material coated under the base of this iron by the aid or with the aid of a razor blade. You can remove it before you use it on your materials, or before you use it to iron your clothes. And for you to know the hotness of this iron, it is very simple. One of the useful tricks I use is that I will test the hotness of it on all other materials before I use it on the main material that I want to use for. So these are the things you should take note, so that you will not end up burning your customer's clothes or your own clothes. So for you to know whether it's hot or not, it depends on how high you increase the flame of the cooking gas. So you can increase the flame of it so that it increases the degree of the hotness of the iron, and you can also decrease the flame of it, which decreases the rate at which it creates or it transfers energy to the Phillips iron. So far so good. My iron, my gas cooker has been on, and I can now experience there must be a transfer of heat from the flame of gas cooker to the iron already. So I use something. You know, this is iron. There's what we call conduction in physics. So the handle is iron, so it conducts the heat from the gas cooker to the handle. So you are not going to use your normal hand to hold the hand, because it is hot at this time. So you are going to be using a material. You can use a towel or handkerchief to hold it so that it will not burn your hand. So this is how I do it. Then I'll now test how hot it is. Very hot, honestly. So you are going to test it separately on the material to know that it is not going to burn your own clothes. Once you test it and you know that the degree of the hotness is okay for you to use it, then you will now make use of it. So in this case, what I normally use it to gum to do gumming. I rarely use it to iron my clothes, but I do use to iron my clothes when there's an emergency or express work, because there's no steady light. So I use this to iron clothes at times. So in this case, I'm going to gum this. This is collar gum, the soft collar gum. I'm going to gum it so that you know that this method is really working. So you can see that I'm coming this on my material just to prove to you that it is working. So it is being gummed already. It is gone, and I'm not removing it. Hope you can see this. You can see this. So brother, this is just a quick video, as in I see that it helps me a lot, and I believe it will help you also. So if you like the video, please, brother, sisters, viewers, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in my next video.